Welcome to Card Discounts Automatic Widget Setup tutorial. To set up a widget on your new store, you must enable Card Discount app from your theme customizer. Once enabled, save your changes and proceed to the next steps for creating widget. In the next step, you will be redirected to Customizer settings. Here you can customize your widget based on your preferred colors and style. If you wish to have more control over your widget and wish to change more elements of your widget, then you can also opt for advanced settings. All the changes done can be previewed in the right hand side of the screen. In the next step, you can translate the default text of the widget based on your preferred languages, or you can go for the default text itself and click on the next step. Now this is the most crucial part of your widget setup where you will select the placement of your widget on your store. By default, it will redirect you to cart page to save your time. After your placement is selected, you will also have to select a subtotal element. You can have multiple widget placement on your store under one setup by following the same methods. Now you are on the last step where you have to save and publish all the changes that you did previously. When published, check the live preview of your setup and confirm your changes. Thank you for watching. For any more queries or concerns, please reach out to us at support@anglerfox.com.